Hello, people. This is Bear from Elliott Wave, and today is Friday, the 25th of April. And we're going to be taking a look at the S&P, as you can see. Now, as usual, you hear me coughing. Just I don't know. At this point, I don't know what's wrong with me, apart from the obvious. Yeah, just be aware of that. Good thing, as I always say, I'm going to be coughing and spitting in front of the mic and not in your face. So I guess that's a plus. So you're looking at my alternative count with the S&P, and then we'll take a look at my preferred count, as you can see here, preferred, and then we are going to be taking a look at what is happening into the intraday. Okay, so that's a bit messy. Oh God. So basically, as you can see, and then I'll zoom in. I'm here. Again, this is alternative count. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1 and 2, and then upside within cycle wave 5. Now, for reference, here on the weekly, you can see get a perspective of 3 and 4, 1 and 2. Remember, the S&P as we know it was established in 57. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then upside for wave 5. Okay. So that's one way to look at it. Now I should probably do this. Oopsie. Okay. So with this count, obviously, it got invalidated here. So, okay, let's do this. So unless we have this, but at this point, I strongly doubt it. Then it must have been a 3-wave move. Okay, so up in B and down in C for this count. Okay, now remember, this is not my preferred count. So without wasting too much time, which is something I like to do here apparently, but thank you people for still watching my videos. Here we are on to the Jesus Christ. Oopsie. There you go. Okay, so what is this? I don't know. We'll take a look at it. So we are on the daily. It's the preferred count. The preferred count, as you can see, suggests a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, I know even who is thinking, Barrett, what the hell? 1, 2, 1, 2s. It's the S&P, people. What could make me change my mind on this 1, 2? Well, if we continue lower, because as I potentially most likely said last time, 2, 2, 2, minor, intermediate, primary, okay, largest, then 1 degree lesser, 2 lesser degrees. It makes no sense then this would be larger than this, which would be larger than this, okay? So far proportions are respected. If we do this, if we do this, okay, and wave 2 goes here, you understand how it would be basically the same size as this one, if not larger, okay? And that's something I don't want to see, okay? Sorry, I can't breathe. Now, let's go straight into the hourly. Yeah, I guess let's not waste any time. So where do we get started? Okay, so sorry, I warned you about the coughing. So as usual, I don't touch my counts because I'm lazy and I like to play the third game, but mainly because I'm lazy. So can we count 5 waves? Kind of. It would be kind of like, where was it? Was it the Nasdaq yesterday? I don't know if it was the Nasdaq video yesterday that we basically said, look, it can be counted as 5, but it would be a truncated fifth. Now, truncated fifths are extremely rare. Okay, so can it be 1? Yes. Is it? I have an idea. If I knew, I wouldn't be here. But it is possible. It is. Here I would kind of like this. A, B, C. I think it's pretty much the same as the Nasdaq. And then here, I would count it like this. Okay, let's see if we can decompose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same as the Nasdaq. Okay. So this is the bullish count. Okay. This is the bullish count for my preferred count. Let's see if. Okay, it all fits. Now, as you can see here, we've had 1.618 C against A. Okay. 3-wave move. Okay. That is very important. Okay. If you are, let's say you have some sort of a top, okay, a temporary top, and you make 3 waves down, not 5. 3 waves a trend don't make. What does it mean? It means that whatever is happening here is corrective, and it may even not last that long. So it's we will see further upside at some point. Okay, it just gives additional confidence. Let's say none of this is what or will be financial advice, but let's say you want to invest long term. You see 3-wave move, then you can perhaps buy the S&P, an ETF on the S&P quite safely, knowing that you will see further upside at some point. Might be tomorrow, might be next year, might be 69 months from now. I don't know, but with some degree of confidence, you will see further upside. Now, as I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Truncated fifth ABC, 1, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1 and upside. That is one way to look at it. Another way to look at it, so I have 2 other ways to look at it, okay? One of them you're not gonna like. The other one, it's like, so, without, you know what? Let's do this. So the other way to look at it basically is, it's gonna be fun. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so if after this statement you're still watching, then it's basically, and this would be in line with the semiconductors. If you look at Nvidia, if you look at Applied Material, if you look at the ETF, the SMH. Sorry, I need to blow my nose. Sorry, I wasn't breathing, and that is kind of a problem if you want to stay alive. So if you look at semiconductors, they all look like this. I mean, they look like this, and you either label them as 1, 2, 1, 2, or as a corrective move, which is going to be my next count, which I'm going to propose. So here, as you can see, it kind of fits, because if you think about it, so without making any drawing, okay, 1, 2, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 3 down, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in a way, it kind of fits better than the previous counts, okay? So I think, despite how much you can hate my 1, 2s, 1, 2s, I think this is something to consider, okay? Whether you like me or not. Now, let me delete this. Perfect. Perfect. Here. Okay. Now here, the alternative would be down in A, up in B, down in C. Minute. Okay. Oopsie. A, up in A. Sorry. Let's do it this way. Up in A, down in B, up in C. So this would be the alternative count. So if I do regular flat and decompose, will it work? Yes, perfect. So this would be the alternative. Obviously here we would have a wave 2 here. Wave 2, same as the other count. Just this, obviously. Decompose, 1 level. Sweet. Same as the other one, just ABC. So, summing up. Let's start from where we started. Okay, summing up. Alternative count, very alternative count, extremely, relatively bearish, the most bearish count I presented, and I'm going to present today. Down in A, up in B, down in C, and we are basically retracing the old move from the 2008 lows. Highly unlikely, possible, but not my preferred count, my least favorite preferred count. Another count suggesting we have a bottom in place here with a 1-2, okay, and we are now resuming higher with a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Okay, now another count here suggesting that we have a bottom in place. Oops. What the? Sorry, I messed up. This count suggests we have a 1 and 2, and we are now resuming higher, okay, with a truncated fifth. My apologies. Now, what I meant to say is, here, still we are indeed sorry, there's something wrong. Okay, here we are indeed suggesting we have a 1-2, 1-2. I'm very confused. Okay, there's something wrong, people. My apologies, but ignore these. We have a wave 2 in place, and we have a 1-2, 1-2. Up to you. Not gonna comment on that. Last but not least, this is just corrective, and we don't have a bottom in place in wave 2. We are in the final stages of wave B. Hence, even today we might see a pullback very strong, which could be the start of wave C to then complete wave 2. Now, summing up, which one is it? I have no idea. If you were to ask me to choose between one, I genuinely be torn between this. I don't know really. I think they're both valid. You can look at you can look at fib relationships. So you can look at targets. You can work with the numbers. 5,500 is going to play an important role. You can look at many different things. You can look at volume, so on and so forth. At the end of the day, I don't know. Those are the ones that I see possible. Any questions? You guys let me know. And thank you for watching, people. Have a great Friday, and I will see you tomorrow.